Meghalaya has recorded as many as 12 deaths due to landslides and flash floods across the state this week. And while a fresh landslide killed at least 2 people in Shillong today, floods also led to a couple of deaths in West Khasi Hills. We have this report.
Another tragedy reported from the heart of Shillong. At least 2 people have been killed in fresh landslides in Shillong, while 3 others are missing. The incident took place at Dhobighat in Lower Lumparing locality of the city this morning. While the bodies of 2 people have been recovered so far, 3 more, who are also feared dead, were missing. According to Senior Station Officer of Fire and Emergency Services Shillong, Atul Chandra Kakoti, the landslide completely destroyed around 5 houses. He informed that the bodies of 30-year-old Razia Ahmad and 40-year-old Saira Ahmad have been recovered so far, but 3 others, 60-year-old Imdad Nongrum, 40-year-old Firoza Khan and 35-year-old Qayamuddin are still missing.
यहाँ में सुबह 6:45 होगा। ये टाइम में हम लोग इधर आ गया क्रू लेके, लेकिन सारी पास तो एक्सेप्ट घर ऊपर से गिर गया है, कोलैप्स हो गया। कोलैप्स होकर घर को नदी का उस तरफ से काट के लेके गया है। अभी हम लोग का काम जारी है। अभी 2 डेड बॉडी मिल चुका है और वो लोग बोला था एक तो उतर गया बोल के नदी में, ऐसा बोला है। 3 मतलब 5 आदमी हैं, वहाँ में 5 आदमी हैं। हम लोग ये 2 आदमी निकल गया है, एक तो निकल गया बोल के फंसा है नदी में, लेके गया है। अभी हम लोग का काम जारी है, वो पूरा फिनिशिंग करेगा।
Meanwhile, locals and family members too narrated the ordeal.
आपका मॉर्निंग 6:15 के लगभग सुबह 6:15 में ये घटना हुआ। और इसमें मेरा बेटी है, मेरा भगनी है और पड़ोसी है। पड़ोसी में एक औरत लेडीज मतलब फैमिली है और एक जेंट, 5 आदमी टोटल।
ऐसे देखते हो तो पहाड़ पूरा ऊपर से नीचे है, तो सब दूर का ऐसे दिखता है। तुम लोग वहाँ में जो आपका इस तरफ में मेरा अपना बहन और कजन है, इस तरफ में मेरा सिस्टर और मेरा जीजा जी, और एक रूम में मेरा मतलब मिस्त्री पड़ोसी। टोटल कितना जन? 5 ऐसे इसका पूरा मजा है।
The incident comes a day after 2 more people were killed in a landslide at Police Reserve in Shillong. Meanwhile, flash floods and massive landslides are also causing havoc in Meghalaya's West and South Khasi Hills district in the wake of days of heavy rainfall. Incessant rains since Monday aggravated the flood situation in the district, where at least 2 casualties have been reported so far. The Superintendent of Police informed that in the wee hours at 2:40 today, a vehicle submerged in the floodwaters in Nongstoin. A minor girl and the driver died in the incident, while another woman is missing. Meanwhile, a landslide in Nongstoin and Upper New Nongstoin damaged 3 houses, while a woman was rescued from the debris by personnel of the Fire and Emergency Department, Nongstoin. 3 others managed to escape. The flash floods and landslides also caused traffic jams in Nongstoin and Mao Kirat Road and the National Highway from Nongstoin to Shillong. Reportedly, more than 100 shops have been damaged by flash floods in the area. With inputs from Roshan Rai in Shillong and Ronald CM in Nongstoin, News Desk Report, Northeast Live.